Aloha everyone, good morning. We are over here at the Bayshard in Pukalani. We're mounting up right now and we're gonna be heading out to Lahaina today. So right now we just checking on our vehicles, restocking our coolers, making sure we're not going empty-handed. We can take care of any service workers, any volunteers out there in Lahaina that we come across, throw them some cold drinks, and yeah, so we're gonna be meeting up with the rest of our convoy in Kahului, and then we can go out together to Lahaina. So you guys can come with us. Here we go.
When we're getting volunteer support, we're going to go ahead and use them to help us support all these different causes. So so for today, we're going to be over there on the west side, you know, kind of in the zone where we've been making our presence felt. That's going to last a couple more days. So make sure that you guys are out there helping as much as you can. And then after that, we're going to be sending the other companies out there so that they can get to know everybody and get to know it. Some of them haven't been out to the west side. We've been fortunate enough that our convoys are getting through every day. And that's what I hear from everybody else. Nobody else can do that. I've got some magnets in the car that are going to get us through guaranteed access. It's from Maui Rapid Response and the Office of the Mayor. And take care of these. We cannot lose them. Yeah, and then once we're done on that side, we're coming on this side to help facilitate everything here. They've been kind of scrambling to make things happen, and Red Cross has tapped us as their #1 transportation. So we're going to be supporting all the Red Cross movement that we can on this side.
Okay, I'm ready to deliver my third round of supplies to all the emergency hubs out there. Napili, Honokowai, baby wipes, rice, everything you can think of. It's right in the vehicle. Coffee, instant noodles. I've got 4 hubs to drop all these off. This is, like I said, this is my third round for the day. Come back and do more. We got so many people out there. Seems like more people picking up food in the last couple of days. So I'll be back to do another round after this. Heading out. Aloha.
We're ready to spread out here and take off to all the locations that we need to go for the day. Okay, you loaded up for the day?
No. I got room back here, and I got plenty of room in the mid section. So I'm just gonna see what else Chris wants me to load up here.
Right on.
Get back to us. We'll let you go. Thank you so much. Now, in a couple of minutes, we're gonna see
Brother,
those
what's your
boats
name?
coming in from so rapid.
Zane Schweitzer.
Zane, thank you, man. I got a lot of that on. We're with Hawaii Tours. We just dropped off a bunch of goods for you guys here.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much. I just met
Doug
and
Yep.
Chris. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Well done. Thank you for your.
Thank you guys. Yeah.
All right, brother.
So are you guys gonna be coming in and out?
Yeah,
Or
every day.
every day?
Yeah, there'll be a fresh
Awesome.
shipment coming through.
And
Chris was one of the first superheroes I met. I've been working with him since
amazing.
day 2.
Okay. Cool.
There you go.
So yeah, we have a few key people on the ground, making sure we have what we need. Tyler's pretty much here all the time. Are you sleeping around here?
I'm sleeping in my truck. I've dubbed.
Are you displaced?
Yeah, I dubbed Chris Secretary of Transportation because he offered up Hawaii Tours and their 10, 15 passenger vans and their flatbed trailers for bikes. And when Costco told me that they had 18 pallets to send over per my request, that was the guy I called, and he was already going through Malalaya, so he called other drivers to get it over there.
Thank you, guys. Mahalos, guys.